This is part 3 of our top tips about travelling and holidays. This film is about going abroad by plane and covers things like passports and insurance. Arrange your travel insurance when you book, then you will be covered for any problems before your journey. For example, if you need to cancel, you need to take your insurance policy details with you when you travel, including a policy number and your insurer's emergency assistance telephone number. It is a good idea to share your policy details with people you are travelling with and a trusted friend at home. You need to take a UK Global Health Insurance card, or GHIC, which lets you get state healthcare abroad at the same cost as someone who lives there, and sometimes for no cost. If you still have a European Health Insurance card, EHIC, and you are travelling to Europe, then you can still use it if it is in date. You can apply for GHIC on the NHS website. It is free and lasts for 5 years. You will still need travel insurance as well as the GHIC or EHIC card. Check the baggage allowance for your airline before you pack. Check the weight and size you are allowed and the number of bags you can take. This will be on your booking information. If you do need to add more weight, do it before you travel, because if you need to pay for more at the airport, it will be very expensive. If you take medication, you should put this in your hand luggage in an easy to reach place. Remember, any liquids in hand luggage need to be in one plastic bag and no more than 100 milliliters. You'll find the amount on the containers. Talking of losing baggage, it doesn't happen very often and the airlines will help you if it does, but it's a good idea to take a photo of all your checked in luggage before you fly, so you can show them exactly what it looks like. When it's time to go, make sure you get to the flight on time. All flights say arrive 2 hours before takeoff. Clever travellers add an hour to that. And how long will it take you to get to the airport? Leave early. It is better to have a cup of coffee waiting at the airport than miss that flight. And those important documents, your passport, plane tickets, keep those safely in your hand luggage and make sure you always keep them with you. And talking of passports, do check it's in date. Most countries need you to have at least 6 months before it expires. Once you've checked in and gone through security, keep an eye out for the departure gate. It's usually up on the screens about an hour before departure. Remember, some gates can be a long way from wherever you might be sitting, even a 20-minute walk, so leave enough time to get there. And if you have a non-visible disability, you can wear a sunflower lanyard or take a card that lets people know you may need extra support. If you do need extra help, you can go online to register for assistance with the airline before you travel, and there will be an assistance desk at the airport where you can get the help you need. If you have a food allergy, tell the airline as soon as possible at the time of making your booking if you can. Also, tell the staff at the departure gate about any severe allergies so that the cabin crew can prepare for you. You can also take your own food if you need to. You can find more information about travelling by air in our easy read Air Passenger Travel Top Tips. Happy holidays.